So this is Arabica coffee. Kung makita mo ano sila, season na ngayon ng coffee, hinog na talaga sila na. Tapos ito, mayroon siyang shade. So hindi direct from sunlight, so mas maganda ang kanyang pagka-ripe. So yung mga ganitong klase, yung partially ripe, this one, hindi pa to kinukuha. This one like this one, here. Hindi pa to kinukuha kasi hindi pa siya totally ripe. So kung gusto mo talaga ng good coffee, so ito yung mga ganitong klase.
Wow.
This one. Ano mo tong kung bunutin mo siya. Oh my god. It's sweet.
Is it like grapes?
Yeah, ano mo lang yung juice. Yeah. The juice, yeah. And then it will take out the beans. Yeah, there's some mucilage in it. There's one. There's some mucilage. So, after picking, we will do the depulping. Or you can put it directly to the drying bed. So, we call that kind of processing. It's naturals. So you will wait until it's dry and then depulp it. So for this one, you will use the wash coffee. So you will wash when the mucilage is out, then you dry it into the drying bed for about 1 month here because of the weather. Yeah, you will check using the what they call this one, the moisture meter.
Wow.
Pag umabot na siya ng 11%, then it's about time to get another skin because there's another skin. The silver skin, you need to remove it, then roast it. And that's the time you could have coffee.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a long process actually. So this is, after this one, the cascara, there's a this one is the cascara. When you dry it also, you can make it into a tea.
Wow.
Yeah. And this is I think about how many years this kind of coffee?
7 pa lang po.
7 years. So kung gusto mo na ipo-prone ang coffee, pwedeng ganun, kunin mo yung pinaka-top niya para hindi siya tumaas talaga. So kapag hindi siya masyadong tumaas, mas madali yung pag-pick ng coffee. Unlike yung sobrang taas na mahirap siyang bunutin kasi hindi mo makuha talaga yung pinaka-gusto mo. So that's all for today's video.
Please follow, share, and comment at Toots YouTube.